as I reach a time I never look back and I'll find all my worries behind me. And as I feel the air rushing through the pores of my skin and my hair, I unwind. At times I've been flying high or crawling on the ground. It's just a matter of the roll of the dice. But I feel the warmth of a hand, a smile, and I understand why everybody lives on. Everybody lives on. See, the world sometimes can be unkind, but I tell you it's a beautiful life. I'm treading our roads and there's stories to be told. Yeah, I tell you it's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life. Morning light, oh, in my eyes, I smile and I realize, yeah, I'm awake, I'm alive. I've had pressure so heavy on my mind, but I look into those eyes and it all seems to rise. All seems to rise. See, the world sometimes can be unkind, but I tell you it's a beautiful life. I'm treading our roads, stories to be told. Yeah, I tell you it's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life. See, the world sometimes can be unkind, but I tell you it's a beautiful life. I'm treading our roads and there's stories to be told. Yeah, I tell you it's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life.